In this video, we're going to talk about how to align your paragraphs. So there are several modes in which you can align your paragraphs. The function is found here under the home ribbon and under the paragraph section. So you have direct access to these functions. First of all, the paragraphs have a default alignment of the left side. So here you'll find that this is a left align. If you want to align your paragraph to the right in a certain circumstance, you simply choose align right. And as you can see, your paragraph is aligned on the right. If you want to center your paragraph, you simply choose this one where it says center. And as you can see, the paragraph starts there and ends there, and everything is in the center. You also have the ability to have this function where you justify. It's more polished when you use this version. So what we do is we're just going to highlight that paragraph and then we justify it. You see even where it ends, and these ends are actually in line with each other, so that's justified. It's a bit different from these versions where the edges are not crisp, but here the edges of the paragraphs are very crisp. The same function can be found when you click under the paragraph section, the small arrow there. You have the alignment over here. So you can choose what you want to align here. It depends on whether these levels, when you assign probably the headings, things like paragraphs, chapters, you can then make use of those to say I want to align. Maybe level 2 is subheadings. You can align them all in a document. Probably say I want them on the right, and that's where they go. In this case, we are just focusing on the body. We can actually align using that, but first you need to highlight the portion that you want to align. So this is how you justify documents in Microsoft Word.